Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to get non-copyright images from Google. This is a easy method, and last I will show you some two websites which can give you non-copyright images. Okay, so first you need to search whatever content, whatever images you need. For example, I'm searching Ladakh. Okay, if you enter images, you can get. Okay, one second guys, a little bit slow. Okay, if you enter images, you can get a lot of images, but to get non-copyright images, go and say tools. Click on tools and click on usage range. I think you can see here two options: Creative Commons license and commercial is other licenses. Commercial is other licenses. 95% more than 90 to 100% it may be paid. Some of the images may be not copyright. Okay, but they will ask some credits for you. Okay, we need to go to Creative Commons license. Okay, click on that. They'll get some images like this. Okay, you can get this images like that. So for example, after seeing this, you should not just go and put these images on your website, then you will face copyright claim. Okay, watch the video fully. Okay, for example, I am taking this image, and you need to click visit this site. Okay, if you click in mobile, if you click the image, you can see the visit option. You can click on visit the page. Visit the page. Whatever website you are searching, can enter the website. Okay, this is wikimedia.org. If you scroll down, you can see here this file is under the Creative Commons attribution. Okay, so this file you should not upload in your YouTube channel or blog or website, whatever you have. Okay, because if they said not no attribution, then only you can use it for in your websites or in your commercial area. So okay, if they said copyright free and no attribution only, then only you can use. If they give this file license under the no attribution, you can take it, but if they give Creative Commons attribution, you should not use it. Okay, this is the main method. Okay, if you are not checking this website is attribution no yes or not, then you will face copyright issues. So don't blame me. First see this website and just know under attribution or not. Okay, and now we can see the two websites which I said can give non-copyright images. I'll show you two websites which is really easy to use. Okay, first is Unsplash. You don't need to pay any money. Unsplash, you don't need to even create an account also, guys. Okay, this is Unsplash.com. This is the free website to get non-copyrighted images. Okay, for example, you can get HD images also, 4K images also. You can get from Unsplash. Okay, sorry guys, little bit loading. Okay, 100 Unsplash. Okay, whatever content you need, you can search here. Even I also use this website for uploading images in my videos. Okay, if you can check my videos, I use some of the images which are available in Unsplash. For example, you can search here Ladakh. Guys, you can see here these images. Every image is available here. Non-copyright images. You can download and use it. Okay, how to download images and flashes? Just enter, click on image. Yeah, I think this is Unsplash Pro. Can close it. Okay, this is Unsplash Pro because this is some images are you need to pay money and buy it, but most of the images are free, non-copyright images, free copyright images. Okay, guys, sorry for loading. Okay, you need to click here download free. Then you can automatically download it. Okay, this member has uploaded this image. Okay, they'll say thanks to you for this downloading this images. Okay, now I'll show you the second website, guys. And the second website I recommend is pixabay.com. You can get more than 2.7 million high quality stock images and videos, music. You can of the Pixabay is the best one because you can get the images also for free, non-copyright, videos non-copyright, and the music for non-copyright. Okay, for example, I want to search laptop. Okay, I'm searching laptop. Okay, you have got many laptop images. You can download it by the same method. Open these images which are available. So everything available here is non-copyright, so you don't need to worry about that. You can download whichever you need in these images. There are a lot of images available in one term. You can scroll down and get lot of images, guys. I think these two websites are I think useful for you. If you want know more websites like this, I will comment down below. I will upload a separate video for this. Okay, more than 5 to 10 websites I will explain you, which are easy to use, and non-copyright images, videos, music, everything is available in that. Okay. Okay. Okay, guys, the image is opened. If you want to click on free download, and I can set which size you need. For example, 1280 x 850, or else this is the common size, or else you can click on download. You will download it, guys. Okay, I think this video is helpful to you guys. If you want more video like this, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. We can meet in the next interesting video. Bye bye, guys.